had to bring more bricks, so I'm bringing more bricks. I'm bringing, I think, 4 of them. I wanted 2 nae naleta 4, so that is it. Akalo. Gwade gulina okubeera nga n'olwo ne wali. Ese avaawo. Eno master ne kino kiriwo ekisinga obunene. Kino esigale weetyo. Ati mulimu wardrobe naye tosobola kujjawo bathroom, tosobola sharinga kinaabiro ne gundi. Kisobola kuvaako na kikirekewo nga weekiri. I know. Ebintu bino si bya firimu, tulina okwegazaanya. Si ya firimu naye musatu isooke tuyinza okikolawe batyo. Watyagala tujjawo kinene ki. It's okay, tujja kijjawo okijjukira. Tusobola okukola adjustment wano eno. Tujja bafuna. Kati nsobola okukola ekikyamu nga wendi ne bakola bye baagala. Ekuba bukubi. So we're about to get this. We're about to get done, but it's hectic. So inside ya wabulayo gundi yafe foundation yemalirize. Already they have started to backfill the soil. I think you can see the other bedroom, it's almost done. Tomorrow they are going to backfill of this. Of course I'll be here to give you the updates, but man, building is hard. It is hectic. It's not predictable. You can't predict it. Era if you're planning to start building mkwana wesibe bili wesibe satu actually sina bili. So yeah,
Jango kanyuge. Baba, that's yajirimba.
Guys, today we are filling in the we are doing the backfilling. We are doing the backfilling. I think you can see that. You can see all that. So other people are coming, but you also have to finish this part here. You know, a local level here, mungas nino. So you have those 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Yeah, and then as they fill in the soil. Now I don't know how long it's going to take, but this is really a big space, so let's pray we finish up. But maybe I'll watch a little of